Welcome to today's review where we dive into the Danby 5.5 cubic feet chest freezer. With a spacious 5.5 cubic feet capacity, this freezer offers ample room for all your freezing needs, whether it's storing bulk groceries or meal prepping for the week ahead. One of the standout features of this freezer is its energy efficiency. The foam-insulated cabinet and lid, along with the use of our 600A refrigerant, ensure that your energy consumption stays low while keeping your items perfectly chilled. Temperature control couldn't be easier with the front-mount mechanical thermostat, allowing you to adjust settings effortlessly. No more fumbling around trying to find the controls at the back of the freezer. And when it comes time for defrosting, the front-mounted drain makes the process a breeze. Say goodbye to the hassle of manual defrosting with this convenient feature. Organization is key, and the Danby chest freezer delivers with an adjustable wire storage basket. Perfect for keeping smaller items separate and easily accessible. Measuring at 32.44 inches wide, this freezer provides plenty of storage without taking up too much space in your home. Plus, the sleek white design with a stainless steel door adds a touch of modernity to any space. In summary, the Danby 5.5 cubic feet chest freezer offers exceptional storage capacity, energy efficiency, and convenience, making it a top choice for anyone in need of reliable frozen food storage. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.